Putting the bolt back in? Do you know what you're putting it into?
The water pump.
Very good. Let's see what you're doing.
Mommy, will you help me with this? Whoa.
Careful. What fell down?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Good job. Are you learning anything?
Yeah. I'm learning how to fix a car.
Yeah?
And I learned that you have to go really tightly to put all the bolts in. And see?
What's that called?
Wrench.
Ratchet?
Ratchet.
And what size ratchet is it? Do you remember how to tell?
13 millimeter.
Very good.
Thank you. It's hard doing this because a lot of stuff is in the way, and you can get hurt really easily.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Just a second.
Why?